and work that jack.
All right, fellas, here we go. She's coming out. Thought I'd film this for you real quick so you can see how it actually works. Lance here.
Actually, you know what?
I don't have a way to get in.
Yeah, that's right.
Lance here is getting ready to go ahead and pull her completely out. Keegan's over here playing on the crawler. See how we got it? We got the front end lifted up so she can clear.
On the ground a little bit more.
Lance.
Can you loosen that jack up a little bit?
Huh?
Can you loosen?
Jack up this jack back here?
Yep. No, loosen, lower it.
Slower her down a little bit. By the handle. Yeah.
Over to the ground.
There you go. Yep. All the way to the ground. There you go. Good. Trying to stay out of their way.
Push it straight.
Everything's clear. You see here, bracing everything, unhook the exhaust. Everything is easy peasy.
Not centered.
One of the easiest motor swaps ever been involved in.
Yes, sir.
This is the easiest way to do it. Chevy actually had a brilliant idea when they did this design. I'll give Chevy their props on that one. I know you see a lot of Ford stuff on our channels, but we don't discriminate. We just like fast cars. And this one was a slug, so she's gonna be fast. What do you guys think we should put in it? A 5.3, 5.7? Put some comments down below. See what you all think.
Push it forward.
We haven't decided completely what's going back in here yet.
Push it all the way forward. Straight forward.
$700 transmission. Most everything we have will bolt in, so we just got to decide what motor to put in her. And here she comes. Let's get down under here and see. Trans dip sticking away just a little bit right there. Get her to pop down. There we go. Keegan back there driving the jack. There she is, boys. She's officially on the ground. And that is the correct way to do an engine swap. In the 2001 Camaro.
Just one more time.
There's always something in the way, man. Always something in the way. And there she goes, boys. And that'll be the last time you see this hunk of junk 3.8. There she is. Do a little walk around there so you can see from the front. But she drops out with the suspension and everything, so we're going to hit all that while she's out. Detail her up real good when the new motor goes in. Trans, exhaust, everything drops out of her. You can see underneath here. Everything's gone.
Those jacks fuck.
Oh, ruined it. Ruined it. You can't even stop
All
it.
right.
Sort out.
You can cut it.
Yeah, we'll edit it. So anyhow, there's that.
I ran over there one. Cut her over here.
There we go, guys. All right, next time you see her, we'll be putting her back together, getting her cleaned up. We'll do an update video. Appreciate y'all.